This is the all-new 2018 Chevrolet Malibu. Built-in HID headlamps. It's a high-intensity discharge. They're very, very bright to help you with that nighttime driving with no street lights. Integrated front parking sensors. Side of the vehicle, you got passive entry. Very nice. You don't have to pull that key out of your pocket. Hit the button on the door one time, it'll unlock it. Hit it again, it will lock it for you. You have integrated backup camera and also available the backup sensors. Some big changes to the back seat of the Malibu. It's roomier. USB ports and a 110 outlet there. Now this is the interior of the all-new 2018 Chevrolet Malibu. You have an available 8-inch touchscreen radio with built-in navigation. So you get your 3D view. All of our Chevrolet product has what they call Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Depending on your phone, you plug your phone into the USB, your projection icon will change to Apple CarPlay, and you can use your Google Maps from your phone. We have dual climate control. Now you can select both sides, and you also have heated seats and air conditioning seats. Also available on Malibu, this button here is for automatic parking assist. The vehicle will find a parking spot and back itself in. The only thing you have to do is control the gas and the brake. Also available on the Chevrolet Malibu, we have a wireless charging port. You take your phone, set it in the port, and it charges wirelessly, nice and easy. The driver information center. When you scroll through, you can see anything from your trips to your gas mileages, oil lives, tire pressures, anything you want to see. It's all available right in your driver information center. Also available on Malibu, we have what they call lane keep assist. As you're traveling down a road, there is cameras behind the mirror that actually read the lines in the road. If you start to drift off to one side or the other, the vehicle will alert you to let you know. The steering wheel will slightly correct to bring you back to the center of the lane. You also have available heated steering wheel for those couple days here in Florida where it's extremely cold. You don't have to worry about your hands being cold, you got a heated steering wheel. This button here is the front collision warning. Reads the vehicle in front of you, reads its speeds. It does a couple different things. We have available adaptive cruise control that is integrated with that button. That'll read how far the vehicle in front of you will stay away from your car when your cruise is set. Also, if you're going to approach that vehicle and collide with it, it will warn you on the dash to let you know if you don't apply the brake in time. This will eliminate the severity of the crash or stop it altogether. Also available on Malibu is the dual scape sunroof. You have a fixed piece of glass here, and then you have the wide open sunroof in the front for the front two passengers. One touch open and also one touch closed. This was the all-new 2018 Chevrolet Malibu. We have a great selection here at Ferman Chevy-Tarpon Springs. Come see us for a test drive.